Hello. One of the hardest questions for any subscription business to answer is who is churning, where are they going and why? Today I want to show you how we are using open banking data covering over 1 million UK consumers, allowing us to answer that question with real behavioural evidence, not surveys and not assumptions. Spend Badger is built on permission-based transactional data. That means we see actual spend behavior when someone buys something, when they stop buying that product and start buying something else. For a subscription business like gyms, this gives us a true view of churn, competitor switching and customer value over time. For this example, I want to focus on a very specific and practical question. Customers who joined a gym in January 2025, what happened to them? January is a peak acquisition time for gyms, driven by New Year behavior. Tracking this cohort lets us understand how quickly churn starts, whether customers lapse or switch, and which competitors benefit when they leave. The first thing we calculate is a true churn rate based on observed payments. For this January 2025 cohort, we can see how many customers are still active, how many have lapsed completely, and how many have already moved to another gym. This gives us a month-by-month churn curve, which is far more actionable than a single headline number. Now, where does open banking really change the game? When a customer churns, we can see exactly where their spend goes next. Instead of guessing, we can answer, are they switching to another gym brand? Are they moving to a budget gym, a premium gym, or a boutique fitness center? Or are they dropping out of paid fitness altogether? In this example, we can clearly see which competitors are picking up the largest share of churned customers. We can then layer in demographic derived from transactional data, such as age band, gender, or income. This lets us answer questions like, are younger members churning faster than older ones? Are higher income customers trading up to premium gyms? And are price-sensitive segments drifting to low-cost competitors? We can also flip this around and look at competitive impact. For each competitor, we can see how many customers they take from us, which demographic profiles they over-index on, and whether they're winning on price, convenience, or positioning. This turns churn analysis into competitive intelligence. Finally, we can break all of this down by location. This allows us to see regions where churn is higher or lower, where specific competitors are stronger, and where retention strategies are working better. This is incredibly useful for local marketing, pricing, and site strategy. So what Spend Badger gives you is a single joined up view of true churn, of true switching behavior, of true customer profile, and true competitive impact, all based on what customers actually do, not what they claim. If you'd like to see this apply to your own customers or category, I'd be happy to walk you through that. Please drop me a DM. Thank you.